Hi friends, welcome back to the channel, a place where we share books, ideas, exercises, good habits and systems to live a better, more meaningful life. My name is Peter, I'm a pastor, husband, parent, and long-time member of different boards and non-for-profit organizations. And on this channel I share with you strategies that help me organize my life, my family and my professional work. And today we talk about the acceptance and commitment therapy, and we go through different exercises that are proposed from this book, The Happiness Trap. I recommend it by Dr. Russ Harris and Beth Aisbert. The acceptance and commitment therapy is a great framework to effectively manage our thoughts and emotions. And we do that especially through strategies, through mindfulness and defining and living according to our values. I find it very helpful and recommend this book or the exercises that are supposed to walk you through the ideas of this book. I'm interested in questions around mental health. In my professional work, I get in touch with people in all kind of different situations and ages, from birth to death and anything in between. I had the honor and opportunity to celebrate with parents the birth of a child, but also going through with people through tough times of disease, illness and death. So I care about mental health. I struggled personally with it in different periods of my life, and I'm continuously searching for helpful tools. I would like to mention straight away that I'm not a professional psychologist or healthcare worker. If you need professional help, please contact a professional psychologist to help you. That's important and an important encouragement to do so. Seek help. I see myself more in the role of a coach, coaching you through these different exercises, through the ideas of this book, keeping you accountable to finish them, either digitally through this format or personally. If you want a coaching session one-on-one, let me know. Why not? We can talk about that. So this book introduces us to the acceptance and commitment therapy, a framework called ACT. First, we are reminded that a lot of our understanding about ourselves and our feelings and the world and the problems we encounter are based on some common myth. For example, that the natural state of human beings is to be happy. If you're not happy, something's wrong with you, you're defective. To create a better life, we have to get rid of bad feelings and bad thoughts. Or you should be able to control your thoughts and feelings. All this kind of talk is a myth that makes our understanding about ourselves, our thoughts and feelings defective. We get stuck in a trap, in a vicious cycle of thoughts, because bad thoughts and emotions are inevitably arising, facing the challenges of our lives in different points of our lives. They are arising, and then we try to get rid of them, and then we feel even worse. And then we try even harder to get rid of those bad feelings and thoughts, and we feel even more miserable. Exactly, that's what the happiness trap means. So let's unwind. How do we get out of this happiness trap? I will share with you in a couple of short videos different exercises you can do by yourself using either pen and paper. If you do so, I suggest you get out now a small booklet. You name it Acceptance and Commitment Therapy, The Happiness Trap, and then you do the exercise there. Or you start to use Notion, the app I'm using. I will share with you my Notion templates based on this book and the exercises you find inside them, so you can make and do the exercises in that environment in your Notion app. So how does acceptance and commitment therapy work? Well, it's based on two important principles of mindfulness and values. These work together to help us effectively manage thoughts and feelings, and to create a rich, full, and meaningful life. Mindfulness is a special state of awareness that enables us to diffuse bad thoughts and feelings. It helps us to expand our understanding of them and to make connection with the present moment and with all the aspects of our lives. And defining our values and living by them, reviewing if you are living by them, and aligning our decision-making processes, the way we act in this world according to our values, is the second important way how we can live a better, richer, more meaningful life. So let's dive into the first exercise. We do that in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful. Hope you find this book helpful. Let me know in a comment below if you have any questions, and see you next time.